Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we break down the hardware making waves across the industry. The evolution of desktop computing is undergoing a dramatic shift as Apple prepares to integrate its fifth-generation silicon architecture into its most compact form factor, bringing unprecedented levels of power efficiency, graphics capability, and localized artificial intelligence processing to a machine that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. When Apple completely redesigned the desktop line down to its minimalist 5x5-inch footprint, skeptics questioned how thermal performance and sustained loads would be managed under extreme conditions, but the engineering team solved those challenges through advanced packaging techniques and remarkable thermal dissipation design. Building directly upon that physical foundation, the upcoming Mac Mini M5 and M5 Pro variants focus heavily on internal component upgrades that target professionals, developers, and power users who demand workstation-class performance without cluttering their desk space. Industry supply chain analysis and leaked roadmap documents indicate that Apple is utilizing refined manufacturing processes to squeeze substantial performance gains out of the silicon while keeping the device whisper quiet and ice-cold even during intensive multi-hour workloads. On the processing side, the hardware architecture features multi-core CPU configurations designed to handle demanding background tasks, rapid code compilation, and heavy data sorting with ease. But the most exciting engineering breakthrough is happening on the graphical and neural processing units. The M5 chip introduces a dedicated neural accelerator embedded directly into every single core of the graphical processing unit, a structural design choice that drastically accelerates on-device machine learning tasks, large language model execution, and generative AI workflows without relying on cloud servers or internet connectivity. Real-world testing parameters and early hardware profiling suggest that this dedicated core integration delivers significantly higher AI performance multiples compared to previous generation hardware, changing how creative professionals interact with local intelligence tools. For video editors, 3D artists, and music producers, this means rendering complex visual effects, scrubbing through multi-stream high-resolution footage natively, and running real-time audio plugins with zero latency or stuttering. While traditional custom-built desktop towers require massive liquid cooling blocks, large chassis volumes, and loud fans to dissipate heat, Apple achieves its peak output figures inside a remarkably small, elegant aluminum enclosure that consumes a fraction of the electricity. Memory configuration and storage speed are equally critical components of this upcoming release, directly addressing bottlenecks that have historically slowed down heavy professional data transfers. Memory bandwidth on the standard M5 model sees a substantial percentage increase over its predecessor, pushing past previous architectural limits and offering unified memory options that start at a solid baseline to ensure multitasking remains completely fluid. Furthermore, supply chain notes reveal faster internal solid-state drive controllers paired with baseline storage configurations starting at higher capacities, effectively eliminating cramped lower storage tiers and ensuring that users have ample room for large applications, massive project libraries, and local scratch disks right out of the box. Read and write speeds are slated for a notable performance leap, which translates to almost instantaneous file duplication, rapid application launches, and seamless loading times when handling colossal project files or virtual machine databases. Beyond basic data transfer metrics, the sustained throughput improvements ensure that complex background indexing, heavy cloud synchronization tasks, and large database queries execute without inducing system lag or thermal throttling. Furthermore, advanced power management algorithms dynamically allocate system resources down to the millisecond, optimizing energy draw whether the machine is idling on a desktop browser or driving heavy multi-threaded rendering pipelines at maximum capacity. Security features are also seeing a major internal overhaul, incorporating next-generation enclave architecture that fortifies user data against sophisticated hardware attacks and ensures that biometric verification and cryptographic keys remain entirely isolated from potential software vulnerabilities. Expanding further into the realm of enterprise deployment and remote asset management, the M5 platform introduces hardware-level virtualization enhancements that allow systems administrators to run multiple isolated operating systems and secure virtual machines with near-native hardware execution speeds and zero virtualization overhead. This particular capability opens up extraordinary avenues for software engineers, cybersecurity analysts, and enterprise IT departments looking to deploy ultra-compact, highly secure desktop nodes that integrate seamlessly into existing corporate infrastructure without compromising on computational velocity or data integrity. Additionally, audio subsystems have received notable attention from Apple's acoustic and hardware engineering divisions, featuring high-impedance headphone jack support and advanced digital-to-analog conversion circuitry designed to drive professional reference studio monitor headphones natively without requiring external desktop amplifiers or bulky audio interfaces. Moving beyond internal processing capabilities, the physical external architecture of the chassis incorporates innovative recycled materials and sustainable manufacturing techniques that reduce the overall carbon footprint of each unit produced while simultaneously improving structural rigidity and electromagnetic shielding to prevent internal signal interference during heavy wireless transmissions. Connectivity options further separate the standard model from the high-end configuration, providing distinct choices depending on the exact demands of your professional workflow. The base M5 variant continues to utilize reliable Thunderbolt 4 ports, offering ample speed for everyday peripheral connection, dual display output, and external storage drives, making it ideal for general office productivity, student use, and light creative tasks. Stepping up to the M5 Pro model unlocks access to advanced Thunderbolt 5 integration, which pushes data transfer speeds up to staggering levels and allows creative professionals to drive multiple ultra-high-resolution displays simultaneously, connect blindingly fast external RAID storage arrays, and utilize external hardware accelerators without dropping a single frame. In addition to wired data pathways, wireless connectivity is also receiving a modern overhaul, with industry expectations pointing toward the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and advanced Bluetooth standards to ensure that your local network speeds match the internal data processing velocity of the computer. Looking at the broader market context, component supply chain adjustments and high global demand for advanced artificial intelligence silicon have shifted launch timelines slightly, with industry analysts monitoring release windows as production ramps up to meet anticipated consumer demand. Pricing structures are expected to reflect these baseline storage increases and component upgrades, positioning the compact desktop as a premium investment that delivers immense computing power relative to its physical size. When evaluating whether to upgrade from older Intel systems or early-generation Apple Silicon machines, the cumulative generational leap in graphics performance, memory bandwidth, and localized neural processing provides a compelling justification for users who feel restricted by their current hardware limitations. The engineering philosophy behind the upcoming Mac Mini M5 proves that raw computing capability no longer requires massive physical space, offering a glimpse into a future where professional workstations blend effortlessly into any workspace while handling the most demanding digital tasks with absolute efficiency. Thank you for watching TapTech. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into upcoming hardware releases.